Hi, my name is Colby Reddy, and here's a screencast for my project. So, originally my group we were doing the technology and medicine category, but after a little bit of discussion, we decided to focus more on like automating medicine. I mean, it's still in the category of technology and medicine, but we kind of made one broad focus. Um, the reason why we decided to do the whole concept of automation in medicine, we describe it here, but pretty much the reason why we decided to do it is the concept of automating medicine is relatively new, and if it's done correctly, it has the possibility to completely change the medical field. Up here is our little logo for the project. Follows you around to other pages, which I think is pretty cool. But in hindsight, we should have put it here too, but oh well. Here's two pictures. It's just nothing real special. It's just some techie stuff and medicine interacting. Here's our video. I thought it was pretty interesting. It talks about different levels of automation in the medical field. Like the first level is more or less just a doctor with an iPad, and I think the last level was like more or less AI performing surgery on you themselves, like a fully automated doctor's office. I thought it was pretty cool. Here's the page I made. I did robotic assisted surgery, which really all it is a surgeon taking a robotic device that has arms, and they're using it to perform minimally invasive surgery on people. It's not fully automated like you would think. It's still controlled by a surgeon. They just control it with like a bunch of levers and pedals to move the arms. I thought it was a pretty interesting topic to do. And here's one robot that they use. This video here, I thought it was kind of interesting. It kind of goes into the history of robotic surgery, and then goes into one guy's experience with it, and his experience being treated by a robot, and how it was helped him to treat his cancer. And then here's another picture. It's just a bunch of doctors standing around a robotic device. Nothing real interesting there. And then there's my works cited. The next page was made by Caitlin. She decided to do VR, which she just describes what VR is and how it can be used to automate medicine. Pretty much, she said like it can be used to help with treatments and trainings and make surgeries easier. And then she kind of goes into more details about surgery here. She has two videos here. Then she goes and talks about training more. And then there's her references. The next one I thought was real interesting. Caden did it. He talks about how pharmacies can be automated, which I thought was really interesting. Pretty much, he said that if it's done correctly, automating a pharmacy will make it cheaper, safer, more accurate, and improve everyone's experience. Here he just explains why we should automate it, how we could do it if any are currently automated, and here he talks about how, like in this paragraph, robotics, if it can improve it even more. The next subtopic was kind of off topic of the whole automation of medicine in a way, but I mean it kind of fits in. Rachel decided to do it 3D printing. Here she talks about what a 3D printer is, or when they are invented, and how it can be used in the medical field. She talks about how it can be used to make like prosthetics and maybe organs in the future, which I guess it could be kind of automating, making prosthetics, making it a little easier. And then she talks about the future of it, and then there's her videos and citations. The next page is nothing real interesting. It's just all of us and a little bit of blurb of who we are. Here I am. I guess I was fishing at the time. And yeah. And then our last page, it's nothing interesting. It's just we decided to put another page, put all citations in there again, just to make sure it's all in there correctly. And yeah, that's it. That's the whole project. And that was my screencast. Whoever's listening to this, you have a good day.